In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Confluence page step by step. Confluence is a great tool for collaboration, but sometimes you might want to unpublish a page for a variety of reasons, like revising content, organizing your space, or simply ensuring that certain information is no longer visible to everyone. Let's walk through the process together so you can do this with confidence. First things first. To begin, navigate to your Confluence homepage. If you have it bookmarked, open that link. Otherwise, you can log in via your favored web browser. Understanding how to maneuver directly from your homepage will save you time and streamline future tasks. Once you're on the homepage, the second step is to choose the space where the page you want to unpublish is located. Spaces act like separate domains within Confluence, serving as designated areas for teams or projects. Finding your particular space can be done simply by using the left-hand menu bar or typing the name into the search bar for quicker access. After selecting your space, you now need to choose the page you want to unpublish. As you navigate through the space, you'll see a list of pages associated with your projects or teams. Click on the particular page that you want to work with. Paying close attention here is key because you don't want to accidentally unpublish the wrong information. Now that the page in question is open, look for the option labeled Share. This button is usually represented by an icon of 3 connected dots or a share symbol, located along the top header or toolbar of the page. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu that gives you various sharing options. In the drop-down, look for an option that might refer to visibility or external access. For our purposes today, click on the drop-down menu next to these options. This is where you can adjust who can see and interact with this page. As you browse through the drop-down menu, you will see an option that says Restricted. Click on this to change the access settings of your page. By marking the page as restricted, you essentially remove its publish status, making it non-public or hidden from everyone except those with special permissions. Finally, once all your adjustments are made, make sure to click on Save. This will confirm your changes and officially unpublish your Confluence page. Keeping up with best practices, always verify to make sure your changes have been applied successfully. You should receive some form of confirmation message or a visual indicator showing the page is now restricted. And that's it. You've successfully unpublished a page in Confluence. Going through these steps ensures that sensitive or outdated information doesn't stay publicly accessible. Practice always makes perfect, and with these instructions, you'll find it easier to manage your pages and content. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Confluence managing!